We are going to make ragi idiyappam. Especially idiyappam is a very famous South Indian breakfast, and a few of my friends or followers asked me to make diet related breakfast. So I'm trying to make idiyappam with ragi. We are just roasting 2 cups of ragi flour. You have to roast it with medium heat so that a nice aroma will come out of it. Once it is done, once the aroma comes out, we can turn off. I'm adding 1 cup of rice flour to it. Since it is half cup, I've added 2 cups of this. That means 1 full cup of rice flour to it. We can do it without rice flour, but the idiyappam will not be very smooth, soft. If you add little rice flour to it only, it will become really nice, soft and non-sticky. So to make idiyappam, we have to fry everything well. So I have mixed 2 cups of ragi flour and 1 cup of rice flour to this. I am frying it nicely so that the aroma comes out, and then we can make it into a dough with help of the water. Then we can put it into the idiyappam making machine, and then we can make idiyappam and steam it. Roasted the ragi flour and the rice flour. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Add salt according to your taste. I am mixing the salt well. Now the salt is mixed. Now approximately this is 1.5 cup water. I have added 1.5 cup water, and it also required some more water. I am adding half a cup more, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil also I have added, so that the idiyappam will come smoothly. Okay, you have to mix it well and make it as a dough to put it in the idiyappam maker and make idiyappam. Now I am mixing well. See, I made it as a dough. It took 2 cups of water to make a dough. I have not added hot water to it. I have added normal water and 2 teaspoons of oils to it. Now this is the consistency you should have. Now see, this is the idiyappam maker. This is made of bronze. You will get in different types and different material idiyappam maker in the market. You can go to the shop, or even online you can buy this. I've used the stencils. Is this very small hole? Can you see the very small hole? This is the stencils you have to use. There are many stencils available with the idiyappam maker, because you can use this for making chakli, which is murukku in Tamil. But we have to use very small holes for idiyappam. Now we have to apply oil to the idiyappam maker so that we can put the flour into it. I am adding the flour to the idiyappam maker, and this especially ragi is a very delicious and very tasty millet I've ever eaten. It's my favorite, and it should be given to the children every day because it helps the bone health. Instead of giving them Bournvita and now I've filled the idiyappam maker with a ragi flour. Now I'm going to I'm going to grease the idli plate, but if you don't have a idli cooker or idli plate, you can do it in a normal plate and keep a kada in the, see I am side see this should be the way. Can you see how beautiful it is? This is called rice flour noodles, or it can be called ragi flour noodles. You can have it with coconut milk, coconut and jaggery. Otherwise we can have it with even non-veg gravy. Done for 3 layers. So we are going to keep this in the idli cooker for steaming 5 to 10 minutes. It does not require much time to steam. It will hardly take 5 minutes. If you have a fear that whether it's cooked or not, you can give for 2 more minutes for it to cook. Kept 2 idli cookers to steam the ragi idiyappam. Now it is ready. The steam is coming out. Let's open and see it. See, it's perfectly cooked. Look at the color. The color has changed to dark brown. See how nice it is. It's very soft. If you touch and see, it will not stick to your hand. That means it's cooked. Okay, I'm turning off the gas. How nice it has come. Can you see? It is so nice. It's so it has come very well. It's a perfect idiyappam and it is very nutritious for the breakfast, and it takes very less time to make. It takes very less time to make, and especially ragi finger millet is very nutritious. So when you give children some health drink, instead of giving all those health drink, you can give this ragi kanji porridge or any kind of ragi intake. Would help the children to grow stronger and healthier. So please prefer to give children everyday ragi. Look at the idiyappam. You can add coconut milk, ilaichi and jaggery to it and eat, or you can make upma with this. You can just break them into smaller pieces and add give a tadka, onion, chilli and add this and make it as a upma also you can eat. If you don't like sweet, you can make any recipe with the salt. Even you can make biryani with this idiyappam. Jessica is serving Jenny with the idiyappam. Let's see whether Jenny likes it. Okay, she's going to add some milk. Since we don't have coconut milk, we are adding normal milk to it, and she's going to add jaggery powder to it. Look, we have added jaggery powder. You can mix well and start eating.
Healthy for your tummy. Wow. See how soft it is. Okay. If you like this video, please write in your phone and comment us